Hello students, we are back with yet another video edition of College Dekho. Choosing the right college for your counseling process is a really daunting task, but not anymore because we are here with some few tips and tricks that will help you to get the right set of colleges for your choice filling round in COMTech 2024. As the COMDET choice filling round has started today, July 5th, 2024, we are here with a set of tips and tricks that will help you to choose the right college for your university studies. Firstly, all you have to do is to make a list of colleges based on their ranks and the courses that they offer for your engineering studies. In order to do that, all you have to do is to visit various websites of the colleges, research on your own and find certain colleges that match your interest. Secondly, look for colleges available in your area. While you do your research, you must keep a track of colleges that are available in your area so that it will be better for you to choose the right engineering college for yourself and also put it during the COMDET seat allocation process or the choice filling process. All you have to do is to do the research and find the list of colleges that are actually available in your locality or nearby areas and filter your preferences. Choose a well-recognized university. Choosing a well-recognized university aggregated by a well-recognized body will not only help you during your higher studies and placements for job, but it will also be good for your future prospects. Last but not the least, make sure to stick to your preferences. It is really essential that while you choose the colleges to make a list for your choice and filling round at COMDET, make sure that you choose the colleges based on the budget and the preferences, and also make sure you calculate the overall cost including the accommodation and other related expenses that you would require during your higher studies in that university, and with that also calculate other related unnecessary and necessary expenses that you would require so that you have a sum of budget that you would require while you study in that university. Also make sure that the course that you want to study is available in that university and all the facilities and resources that you require are actually there in that university so that it is easy for you to have a hassle-free study experience during the course that you want to study or the college that you want to go. COMET 2024 choice filling round is one of the most crucial steps in order to get the seat that you desire in your dream university. Usually seats are allotted based on the inputs that you put during the choice filling process. It is always essential and it is a smart choice to actually go with the colleges that rank higher and then go to the lesser ones. The last date to submit the COMET K 2024 web options is July 7, so make sure you lock your choices before the given deadlines. The mock allotment for round 1 will be released on July 9, 2024. After verifying the mock allotment results, you must edit your preferences before July 11, 2024. We hope these tips will help you to choose the right college for COMET K choice filling 2024, and make sure you choose the right colleges based on your preferences